Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to unlink a bank account from Digit. Do you want to remove a bank account from your Digit profile? Well, here's how to do it quickly and safely. Step 1, open the Digit app and log into your account using your credentials, and then you're going to go to Settings or Profile section. Step 2, tap on Bank Accounts or Linked Accounts. A list of all connected accounts is going to appear. And from there, select the account that you want to remove. Once you've selected that, scroll down and tap Unlink Bank or Remove Accounts. Digit may ask you to confirm your decision, so go ahead and confirm, and your bank account is going to be disconnected from Digit. Now, important notice, once unlinked, Digit will stop analyzing transactions or saving money from that account. If this is your primary bank, you want to consider linking a new one immediately to avoid interruptions in your savings. Another bonus tip, if you're switching banks, it's best to unlink your old account after adding the new one. And that's it, your account is successfully unlinked. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit that subscribe button for more quick Digit tutorials, and don't forget to like the video, and please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.